Ashanti.
Ashanti.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. Well done. Yo, that was a strong run.
Yeah.
It was a very
Brother,
strong
I'm
one.
telling you, something I like about it too. Even after the race, this is your interact with fans.
Yeah.
It's when I like that.
Yo, me like way sports are go, bro.
Yeah.
Like one time, nobody need to want to interact with the fans after they done running, just go about their business.
True. That's your flows.
And that's me like how everybody get engaged, make it sport nice.
True.
You know what I say?
True.
Yo, anytime they start take up like the Tara vibes, yo, I want to give me some Tara vibes.
Or bold vibes. I must say bold.
Yeah.
That's God's saying.
Yeah, me not dashing me.
Yeah.
But him retired, we have to stay tuned with who in our game right now.
True.
Yeah. But yo, great run. She PR'd. And
I think she have the number one right now.
I believe so.
In Jamaica.
Yeah. Most definitely, yeah. But watching her transition from out of high school and then come up in the ranks, but she had faded away for a little bit because I haven't heard her
for a while.
Yeah, for a very long time.
Yeah, big up to GC Foster. I think she did a GC, Mr. Maurice Wilson.
Oh, she did a GC?
Yeah, man. I think she did, man. Because she did a foreign for a while and it's me just never that work out.
Yeah, I mean, sometimes change is good.